what's up you guys? It's Michael with Tougaloo Outdoors, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Camouflage Instant Roof made by Realtree. So actually I just picked this up at Walmart. It was about 17, 18 bucks. Not too expensive, and it had me really interested. So basically this is like a portable blind that you can use for hunting. So if you have a tree stand, you can actually set it above you to where you won't get rained on. Or if you're on the ground, you can actually kind of just set it up as almost like a portable blind. So I found that very interesting. It says it sets up in less than 1 minute, so this is my first time unboxing it. So I'm assuming this is the blind itself. And then it comes with just a strap, and then it looks like instructions. So if you can see inside the bag, you get some kind of weird little pin thing with, looks like something that screws in. It looks like that might screw into the tree. And then it looks like some kind of pin that's going to hold the actual blind itself. And then it comes with 2 different straps. Alright, so the first step says that you have to screw the end into the tree. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And I'm just screwing this in by hand. There's no special tools. It's all by hand. Alright, and that's step 1. Alright, so the second step involves you grabbing the umbrella, and basically there's four different holes around this base with the pin, and basically you just want to make sure that one of these holes are faced directly upward, so when you unravel your umbrella, the base can go into that hole, just like that. So basically it comes like that, and you just have to slide it out and catch it just like any other normal umbrella. Now if you can see, there is a cutout of where it's supposed to wrap around a tree. This cutout will go to the base of the tree as you put the umbrella base in. You're going to, of course, pull the pin out. Pull the pin out, and there's a hole on this base that you slide it into and put the pin in. So basically the last step is on the back of these. There is three button clips, and the straps you are given has one end connects to the actual clips itself, and then just it's a blank edge. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to snap. I'm not going to snap all of them for this video, but you'll snap each one to the back. And as you see, I had this snapped on the lower part of this umbrella, and basically on the opposite end of the tree, I'm just going to tie a knot and snug it up. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now I'm just going to tie a simple overhand knot. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I'm just going to tie mine double bunny ears just for the video, but you can tie any knot you want, obviously. And it's not as tight as it can be, of course, but basically you're going to do that with all 3 clips, and then it'll wrap around the tree. Alright guys, so this has been a review / unboxing / I guess install of the Realtree instant canopy roof. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Now I think it'd be really cool if I'm up in a deer tree stand and it's raining real bad. I think this would be really cool to put on top of you, or if it's snowing, just to kind of, it's just like almost a little luxury item. For 17 bucks, I didn't think it was bad. And actually, I will be doing this in a giveaway pretty soon. As soon as we reach 500 subscribers, these will be one of the things that is included in the giveaway. I think it's cool. I think it's pretty useful. It's pretty easy to set up, pretty easy to break down. You can keep it all in this little bitty bag. So that's all I got today for the channel. Please rate, comment, and subscribe on the video. Tell me what video y'all would like to see next, and have a great day, guys.